Hello guys, today we will see how to purchase membership plan on the Traffic Income. I'm going to show how to purchase the membership of for plan 2 and plan 3. So you can see over here. If I want to buy the ad packs for plan 2 and plan 3, I cannot buy. First I need to max out in plan 1, then only I can buy the ad pack for plan 2 and plan 3. So for to continue to earn from plan 2 and plan 3, I need to buy the membership plan. So you can click on account, then upgrade account, and you can see over here there is option of regular membership for plan 2 and plan 3. So there is no cash balance in my account, so I need to first add finance, add fund, and $5 membership I have to purchase. So 5, I'm going to use coin payment and put the captcha, agree terms and conditions, submit. It will redirect you to the coin payment page. Just put your name, your last name, email ID, just click on this to verify, then click on complete checkout. Here you can see the address, the wallet address on which I have to send the money, and this is the BTC, how much BTC I have to send. If you are using mobile, you can just scan the QR code and get it done. I am using on my tab, so I'm going to use this on my laptop. So click on another tab, send request over here, then here send Bitcoin, enter address, then you have to see how much BTC is there, 0.00, $351,000. Just verify once again, 0.00, 351,000, 0.00, 351,000. Address once again, just get the address, the starting letters 3HE KYJ, 3HE KYJ. You're good to go. It is showing in the this thing INR rupees. Just click on send money. It will ask for the OTP. I have just entered the OTP. The success message it has come. Your transaction is submitted for processing. You can monitor its status through transaction history table on send receive Bitcoin page. Click on OK. So here I can see the transaction. The status is approval pending. You can just click on view. Still the status is approval pending. So it will take around 10 to 20 minutes to come to your TTI cash cash balance. So here I have got the message paid. So click on continue to seller store. Here also you can see payment successful. Click on OK. Here, thank you, your payment successful, thank you for using, thanks for your payment. Okay, it will take around 10 to 15 minutes guys to see the cash balance over here, $5. So you can patiently wait for 10 to 15 minutes. So let's refresh it once, see the cash balance has arrived in our account or not. So as you can see, $5 has arrived in the cash balance. So let's buy the membership. Just go in the account, activity, upgrade account, then regular membership for plan 2 and plan 3. So just click on purchase, cash balance, I agree, click on purchase. Here membership purchase successfully. Again, when you will just click on this upgrade account, you will get all the membership, whichever membership you are having in this current tab, you will get that. I have only one membership, regular membership for plan 2 and plan 3. It's a monthly. Here is the purchase date and the expiry date, and the days remaining is 31. So whoever has the advance pack, just purchase the gold membership, diamond membership and platinum membership according to your plans, and you need to max out each level to purchase the next level at specs. So you can see, so this is how you can purchase membership using coin payment. I hope you have all liked the video. If you have any question, just comment below, we will help you out, or you can just contact on the number given on the screen. We will definitely contact you and help you out. Thank you.